Hello everyone, my name is Kemi Tayo. Today we'll be talking about division. What is division? Division simply means sharing. And today we're going to be using the process long division method, because at this time we have passed dividing one digit by one digit, dividing two digits by one digit. We're going on to dividing by two digits. Now a quick recap of the long division method. We have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So let's go. First example. Divide 984 by 12, two digits, 12. Draw your house. Put the large number in the house, 984. Put the 12, which is the divisor, outside the house. And let's go. 9 divided by 12 is impossible. What do? We bring the 8 to the 9. So we use the two digits at the same time. 98. So 98 divided by 12. How many 12 can we find in 98? If you use your multiplication table, you will see that 12 times 8 is 96, which means that you will find 8 12s in 98. So you write your 8 above the 8 of the 98, and then let's multiply. 8 times 12, it gives us 96. Take away 96 from 98, you will have 2. That is subtraction. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 4. Bring it down, you have 24. Now 24 divided by 12. What do we have? 2. Write your 2 and multiply. 2 times 12 is 24. When you subtract, you have nothing left. So 984 divided by 12 gives you a perfect answer, 82. No remainder. Now some divisions are carried out and it is not perfect. When I say it is not perfect, it means they leave you with something. Some numbers are left that are not up to the divisor. For example, you have divide 504 by 17. 504 is not a multiple of 17, so you cannot have a perfect division. So let's see how many will remain. Draw the house as usual. 504 in the house, 17 outside the house. Let's go. 17 in 5 is impossible. So we use the first two digits, 50. Now 17 in 50, how many can we find? That will be 2. Write your 2, then multiply. 2 times 17 will give us 34. Subtract. 50 minus 34 will give us 16. Now, next thing is to bring down the next digit, which is 4. And then you have 164. How many 17s can you find in 164? If you investigate, you'll find 9. Write your 9. Multiply 9 by 17, it gives you 153. Now subtract, it will remain 11. 11 is not up to 17. There's nothing you can do with it. So when you divide 504 by 17, you get 29, remainder 11. And that is your answer. Now, I want us to talk about dividing by multiples of 10. To do this, we use the short method. 480 divided by 60. 480 divided by 60. 60 is the same thing as 6 times 10. So let's use the division bar and write 480 all over 6 times 10. The 0 in the 10 will cancel out the 0 at the top, and you'll be left with 48 over 6. Now 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Simple. Another example, 950 divided by 50. Using the division bar, we'll have 950 all over 5 times 10. The 10 cancels out the 0 at the top, and so you have 95 divided by 5. 5 and 5, 1. 5 and 9, 1. It will remain 4. In 45, 9. Our answer is 19. You can try this on your own. Divide 6,400 by 80. Use your division bar and divide correctly. Your answer should be 80. I hope you got it. Okay. See you next time. Bye.